Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Amara Raja Energy and Mobility Limited. Our analyst maintains a buy on Amara Raja Energy with a revised price target of Rs 1967 on expectation of healthy traction in replacement segment and opportunity to play in the Lion Cell business. A technical license agreement with GIB Energy X will provide Amara an access to LFP technology. And access to LFP, which is lithium iron phosphate technology, will make it capable to cater to electric passenger vehicle space in future. Stock trades at price to equity of 25.1 times and EV by EBITDA of 12.7 times its FY26 estimates. Next we cover ISGEC Heavy Engineering. Our analysts reinitiate coverage on the stock with a positive view and a price target of Rs 1500, which is an upside of 20% on current market price. Management has guided for double-digit revenue growth for the next 2 years, aided by macro tailwinds in the infrastructure sector. Also, focus on lower duration orders with more technical engineering work will help increase the margins.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.